For example, a simple costing example is given. Direct cost to make a table. For example, direct material cost for making a table is rupees 300 per table. The labor cost is 144 per table. Assume the number of tables produced by year per year is 1000 tables I'm producing. So direct cost per table is add the material cost and labor cost. Okay, 300 plus 144 becomes 444. The direct cost for 1000 tables is 4,44,000. So it is going to be the direct cost. Okay, indirect cost. Now calculating the indirect cost. Assume all indirect costs in a year, not at the end of the product. So you are going to calculate indirect cost only at the end of the year. For example, all these things: rent, insurance, repair, maintenance, postal, telephone, stationery, salary, publicity, interest, everything. So assume indirect cost per year is rupees 1,20,000. So production per year is 1000 tables. So the indirect cost per table is rupees 120. So total cost is, your direct cost is 444 plus your indirect cost is 120. It is going to be your 564. So this is the actual price for producing one table, 564 rupees. And then on above this, you will be adding the profit and finally fixing the price. So direct cost is very simple. You have to add the direct material cost and direct labor cost, multiply by the number of tables. That is going to be direct cost. Indirect cost means it includes repair, maintenance, rent, insurance. All these terms will be included for calculating the indirect cost. The indirect cost per year is rupees 1,20,000. So the production per year is 10,000 tables. So indirect cost per table is rupees 120. So the total cost is going to be 444 plus 120 is going to be 564. So add the profit and fix your price. Profit you cannot add so much because if the product is very costly, nobody will be buying a product, right? So they will be fixing the profit margin relatively less initially. Then as the sales is going to pick up, they will increase the product cost. So this is a simple example of how costing is done, calculation of direct cost and indirect cost on producing a table.